Okay guys, 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum, presented you from Real Deal Auto. 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost motor, aftermarket wheels and rims. It's got super low miles on it, 57,000. Rebuilt title, damage was right through here. All been fixed up, ready to go. Good tires, almost brand new tires. Power running boards. Panoramic sunroof. Heated, cooled seats. Trailer backup package, locking diff. 57,124 on the miles there. Adaptive cruise, smart key, park assist, power folding mirrors. See, they work. VIN number. Rear heated seats. Does have the tailgate step that comes out here. Spray and bed liner. Airbag suspension there in the rear if you see that. So you can hold more weight. Got massage seats, work, navigation, 360 camera, also the B&O sound system, power sliding rear glass. Let's have a couple little dents there on that door. Nah, pretty dang clean. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.